Hi friends, I'm unboxing Tecknet doorbell today, which I have bought from Amazon. The delivery was quite quick and I'm really happy with the packaging. So I'm showing you the 360 degree of the box, the packaging. Quite stubborn, huh? So this is our product, Tecknet wireless doorbell. This goes in the plug, I believe. Underneath this we have, let's see what we have. So underneath that we have a bell which looks like this. It's quite handy, quite impressive. It also comes with a couple of screws and double-sided 3M tape, which I'm very happy with. So I don't have to really drill and use the screws. I can directly use the 3M double tape now. So we have the product, screws, 3M tape and the product manual. Before we use the doorbell, we have to remove this strip. I've plugged in the first part of the doorbell and it has 3 buttons. First one is for the music. You can find different ringtones there. So you turn it on, you go to the second button and change it. It took me a while to figure this out. Use the second button to change the ringtones. And the third button is to control the volume. So at this moment, I'm going to stick the double tape at the back of the doorbell. So we are done with that. Now we will remove the strip and stick it onto the door. Let's check if this works before we go and stick it out. So here's the final product and it works fine.